A male is more looking towards beauty, more looking about that sensual appeal and those things when it comes to relationship. Whereas women, at least in an ideal world, are looking more for an integrity in their husband. How much of more than the net worth, does he have the caliber? Does he have the spine? Does he have an ability to sort of stand up to situations of life? Hello and namaste, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Karthik Gaur, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that whenever we upload a webinar or a video, you are the first ones to know. Thank you so much. Sthirakaraka is more related to something which is going to be sthira, right? Something which is stable and is not going to change. Okay, but the anubhava can definitely change based on your karma, right? So anybody can have an issue, uh, like some people might have a terrible sort of relationship with your father. The general saying, especially in India, is that daughter and father are very close, and generally the mother and the son are very close. Which is nice to say as a saying or as a very very generic rule, but the fact of the matter is it doesn't work, because there are many 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 charts I can show where the father and the daughter are at loggerheads or taking each other to court, or let us say the relationship between the mother and the son, as I told you a few minutes back, are extremely sort of problematic, so to say. you know so it's very important for us to understand that sthira are the one which cannot be changed, but the anubhava, or how you are going with your father, mother, brothers, whatever it is seen from this particular planets. And how, we are going to learn it today. Okay, so for father, it is the stronger between the sun and Venus. Okay, so very very important that it is just not Surya for father what we see. As far as the karakas is concerned, you have to check in the chart whether the sun is stronger or Venus is stronger, and from there, we are going to decide how is your anubhava with your father, how is your father treating you, how are you treating your father, to ensure that what is happening. you know Prima facie, was your father even alive when you were born, or were you not that fortunate enough to get the love of your father? There are many who are not that fortunate. Either the father was not alive, or the divorce happens sometimes, or the father was working somewhere in the foreign mission, and you hardly saw your father, or whatever it is, right? Whereas for mother, you will see the stronger between the moon and the Mars. Okay, for the father first, we look at Venus because Venus rules the sperms. Okay, the Reta, as we call, is ruled by Shukra. Okay, hence Shukra is so important for pregnancy as well. A lot of people look at Jupiter for kids and all those things in the Saptamsha, but the fact of the matter is that it is Venus which is so important in the first step. Are you able to conceive a child? Are you able to sort of fertilize the egg in the first place? Is so important. Hence, fifth from the Venus becomes very important to see whether you have an ability or is there a blockage for the child. Okay, these are the small hints which I keep giving. So for mother, it is all about your moon and Mars. Which is stronger? Is your Chandra stronger, or is it your Mangal which is stronger? Okay, and that is what you are going to take as a karaka for mother. Whereas only Mars is something which you are going to look for your younger siblings. See, Mangal is the karaka for the third house generally, right? You know that, which is Gemini, natural house of Gemini. And the third house, when you look about, when you understand the houses, I'm sure each one of you has gone through that videos and all on the houses. you will understand that the third house is very important for your younger siblings as well as entrepreneurial goal. You know, it is a house which is going to give you a lot of prosperity also, but at the same time all your fights are also in the third house. Okay, nonetheless, when it comes to karaka, we look at the younger sibling, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, etc. Those are the people we look, from mangal, but the looking from mangal is very different. Okay, for example, third from mangal is what is your relationship with your younger sibling, and 11th therefrom is your relationship with your elder siblings, so on and so forth. Okay, whereas Mercury is all about your maternal relatives, uncles, in general, is what you and you associated with Mercury. Okay, as far as the family tree is concerned, so to say. Okay, whereas Jupiter is all about husband. Always, for women chart, I always keep saying that please don't look at Venus for your husband. The concept or the thought process of a woman is completely different to a thought process of a male. A male is more looking towards beauty, more looking about that sensual appeal and those things when it comes to relationship, whereas women, at least in an ideal world, are looking more for an integrity in their husband. How much of, more than the net worth, does he have the caliber, does he have the spine, does he have an ability to sort of stand up to situations of life? Those things are very, very important as far as female is considered. Hence, Jupiter is the Karaka for relationship as far as females are concerned. Also the concept of pregnancy, concept of wealth, all those things are very, very different. When a woman looks at pregnancy, for example, for a male chart, we always look at the fifth house for kids. In a women's chart, we always look at ninth house for kids. Why? Because kids for them is all about dharma. Okay, very, very important. Okay, whereas Venus for a male is wife, you know, father-in-law, mother-in-law, etc. I'll teach you within this sort of sessions in terms of how to look at, and then lastly, Saturn is the elder sibling, because the natural 11th house is Aquarius, right? So Shani is generally the one who is elder. You can also say your elder sort of relatives, people who are above 70 and people who are not able to walk properly, limping, etc. Those are all nimittas for Saturn. Okay, so as we discussed before, these are the stable karakas and they don't change. So Surya is going to be the karaka, Surya or Venus, whichever is stronger for your father. Now this rule is not going to change from different people. Okay, but then your relationship with your father can change based on Charapitri karaka. Okay, why? Because based on your past life, probably you have taken care of your father. So your father is somebody, who is a very rich guy or a very compassionate guy, and who is somebody going to be like a rock standing by you and helping you through all the tough situations of your life till a certain age. Now very few people are lucky about it. Now they are lucky because they have done it. So if you want to be lucky, do it, as simple as that, right? So very important. Shiva is the sustainer and is the one who is going to give the stability. So we can say that since this is a relationship all about sustenance, you remember the tamas part of it, that sometimes, just sustaining it is very important in life. It is going to be lauded by Shiva, or somebody, let's say Shiva is going to be the protector of this set of Stirakaraka, or shall we say, is the creator of this Stirakaraka. Okay, and 7 planets are involved, which we have already mentioned. Okay, now when we talk about the Naisargika Karaka, now as a homework, what I have to do is, or what you can do is you can write down more relationships. See, what you need to do is you need to make an Excel sheet with three types of relationships: Stira, Chara, and Naisargika. Okay, and then keep on adding, all the rules that you learn through these sessions, and so that in future you can always remember it. If you are using OneNote or any of those sort of tools to make notes, it is good enough. Then you can obviously write it down and it will be easier for you to do. Namaste Jyotisha lovers. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Please do share so more and more thirsty souls can benefit from this free knowledge which is being shared. Also, do subscribe, click the bell icon, and all the questions that you have, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us.